Breaking news guys, ito po ay tungkol sa pausing ng home care worker immigration pilots from next year of 2026. Kalalabas lang po ng balitang ito guys. And this will mean na wala pong application para sa inyo ng mga caregivers na magaganap sa Marso ng papasok na taon 2026. Yan ang ating pag-uusapan guys ngayon. Hello everyone, si Ate Menchi po ito and welcome back sa isa na namang edisyon ng ating balitaan dito po sa Menchi's Philcan Life. Kung gusto niyo ang ganitong mga topic guys, please subscribe to my channel at salamat sa inyo na mga subscribers na. You can also join and be a member of this channel. I-click lang po ninyo ang join button to be a member of Menchi's Philcan Life. In that note, gusto ko nang pasalamatan ng ating mga channel members. Thank you kay Joy Gabriel Channel, kay Lear V. Grace Tabian, Blissful Balance 1, Jepons JFY Darters, kay Nanette Lapira, Ariandel Malinaw, kay Marlo Quasay, Cruzon Binene, Marciano at Nimpa. Salamat po. And you can also be a channel member. Just click the join button below. Now, let's go na guys sa ating topic for today. Nako, breaking news kasi ngayon lang pong araw na ito, December 19, kalalabas ang balitang ito. Actually, hindi po magandang balita pero kailangan din nating pag-usapan para maging updated po kayo. Ito ay ang paglalabas ng IRCC ng Immigration Canada ng update at instructions na hindi po mag-open ang home care worker for March of 2026. So, very shocking po at disappointing para sa mga caregivers ang balitang ito. Pero sabi nga ay kailangan tanggapin. Para sa mga naghahanda na, prepara ng mga dokumento, nag-English test na, nagpa-ECA na ng kanilang mga school record at iba pa, and ready to apply. Kasi madalas natin binibigyan kayo ng update, pero ngayon po is a different update ang ating masasagap ngayon. Sang-ayon po sa announcement ng Canada.ca, definitely ay hindi po mag-open ang home care worker for March of 2026. Kung ating maalala nagsimula itong mag-open pa lamang at tumanggap ng aplikasyon ay ngitong taong ito, kauna-unahan, March of 2025. And for next year, it will not open. Babasahin ko sa inyo guys ang mismo pong announcement ng Immigration Canada. Actually, ito po ay nakasulat sa Canada Gazette. Ang Canada Gazette po ay isang lathala ng gobyerno ng Canada at doon nakalagay yung mga official nilang mga announcements. So, bago yon, ito muna ang babasahin natin yung parang summary of instructions nila or news release po nila. From Canada.ca, ang sabi po, pausing home care worker immigration pilots application intake. Ottawa, December 19, 2025. As part of our 2026 to 2028 immigration levels plan, we are making our immigration system more responsive to the needs of the country by making sure that we have the skilled workers needed to fill labor gaps. Pero bakit ipopause? Many home care workers who provide essential support to seniors, children, and people with disabilities have already applied for permanent residence through pilot programs. So sabi nila, marami na raw pong naka-apply na mga caregivers. Due to ongoing high demands, interest in the home care worker immigration pilots continues to exceed the spaces available, leading to longer wait times. Dahil daw sa dami ng aplikante ay mahabang wait times. In order to prioritize processing of existing applications, Immigration, Refugee, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, will pause intake until further notice. This means that the pilot's intake will not reopen on March 2026. IRCC will continue to process applications that has been received to date in line with the immigration levels plan. While we understand that this will be disappointing to prospective applicants and their families, this pause will prevent further inventory growth and support our goal to bring immigration back to sustainable levels. Any future updates on the program will be shared publicly. So yun guys, yung news release na pinalabas today. Pero ang pinagkunan talaga ng mga impormasyon na yan ay ang Nakasulat po sa Canada Gazette. Dito nakalathala yung mga special announcement nila, mga importanteng mga galing sa iba't ibang mga ministry. Like this is from the Ministry of Immigration. Basahin ko lang sa inyo yung pinakang gitna. Considerations. These instructions are intended to manage the processing of applications so as to support the reduction of application inventories, and in this way are consistent with the objective laid out in paragraph 3 of the Act, etc. Okay, ngayon, ito na. Scope. These instructions apply to applications for a permanent resident visa made under the Home Care Worker Immigration, Child Care, and Home Care Worker Home Support classes. Effective March 31, 2026, in order to support the Department of Citizenship and Immigration in managing inventory pressures, the number of new applications submitted on or after March 31 of 2026 that will be accepted for processing in a year for the Home Care Worker Immigration Pilot and Home Care Worker Immigration Child Care is set at 0. Tapos meron pong sinasabi rito sa bandang huli ho. Effective period. These instructions take effect on March 31, 2026 and remain in effect until March 30, 2030 unless earlier repealed by the minister. May date po ito noong December 12 ba pala ito ginawa. Pero na-release po, nabasa natin ay 19, ngayon pong Friday. Yun guys. That's it. So, ibig sabihin guys, officially sinasabi po ng Immigration Canada na hindi po magkakaroon ng aplikasyon, hindi kayo makaka-apply sa home care worker, child care and home support for March of 2026. And maybe until 2030 unless otherwise mayroon silang bagong ilalabas na instruction. Paano ba yun? Ay, kasi tayo man mismo dito sa atin pong mga social media ni Ate Menchi, I keep on giving you updates, I keep on giving you tips kung paano handa. Tapos ngayon ang balita ay kabaliktaran. But guys, sabi nga nila, pag ang isang pinto daw ay nagsara, there might be more windows that will open. So, let's take that as a possibility. So, ang mangyayari po, ini-pause nila. Naka-pause. Ang tanong ay, gaano katagal na pagpo-pause? Until 2030? Wow, ang tagal no. Kaya pala, meron po tayong kalituhan a few months ago, ay nilagyan po nila ng note. Yung application from outside Canada ay nilagyan nila ng closed. Closed, nakalagay doon. So, ngayon, pause naman. So, we'll find out kung magkakaroon ng pagbabago, if they will make some changes. Malungkot man ang balita, pero we have to let you know about this update sa kasalukuyan. So, yun na muna. Thank you very much for watching guys. Kung kayo po ay bago sa ating channel, please subscribe to my channel. At sa mga nakasubscribe na, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta palagi na. And you can also support me by being a channel member. Click lang po ninyo ang join button at kayo ay maging channel member ng ating channel. Gusto ko muling pasalamatan ng ating mga channel members. Thank you kay Joy Gabriel Channel, kay Lear V. Grace Tabian, Blissful Balance 1, Jepons JFY Darters, kay Nanette Lapira, Ariandal Malinaw, kay Marlo Quasay, Cruzon Binene, Marciano at Nimpa. Salamat po. And you can also be a channel member. Just click the join button below. Hanggang sa susunod, sa Ate Menchi po ito from Toronto. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. See you again. Bye!